Got a bigot today. Sarah's got a fish. Got line stuck in the prop.
Alright, we're putting baits on the rods here. This one is double baited. I don't know why.
He is the master.
I'm the master.
Master what?
So we're gonna get getting this weight on as well to sink it to the bottom. This is 2 pounds. And we're gonna put it down to the bottom and catch the fish. Bombs away. Here we are. It's only been an hour of us fishing before we finally caught a halibut.
Didn't think they were out here, quite honestly.
We were gonna leave. We were gonna cut all the lines and go home.
Got them all.
Let me get my glove on so I can smack this fish. Alright.
First keeper of the day. Let's go.
Woo!
Look at that.
That's a good one.
Quit it.
How long do you think it is?
I don't know.
Shall we make our best?
Huh? Stop it, dude. Here we go. That'll stop it.
Right through his brain.
Feel.
Feeling pretty good. A little sore. It's a big fish, let me tell you.
First keeper.
First one. That means we have to stay a little longer.
I think Ian's winning now.
You acting like you got something up there.
Got a little something. About 1,000 yards out right now. What do you think this is, Sarah?
I think it's a flounder.
You think it's a flounder? Wow.
I actually think
I'll give you $100.
I actually think it's a tuna.
Little butt.
It's a flounder.
Nope, it's a halibut.
It's a flounder.
I don't think you know what a flounder is.
It looks like a tiny halibut.
Yeah, well this one is a tiny halibut.
Now that's a keeper if I've ever seen
That is
one.
a keeper if I've ever seen
Oh.
one.
That is a trophy
Yeah, but
fish. So now what?
Now we're gonna let it go. This thing is hooked. Wow.
And your biceps look pretty big, so.
Alright buddy, see ya.
Bye, flounder.
And he lives to tell the tale.
Oh, that was like
Let's see how many in a row we can get here. You're gonna like choke me right now.
Oh, yeah! What is that sound you make? Whoa! I made that. Josh, don't fall, please. Okay, ready?
Got a bigot today.
Ian again.
Stripping line.
Alright, I'm gonna move it.
So we're gonna throw him in the kayak and see if we
Sure,
can
you're on
catch
the line.
one.
I know. There's something on this one.
What can I say? I'm a catcherman.
Alright sir, walk me back.
Hey.
Alright, let me see the rod here.
Ian, grab this one. I think it's caught on the same one, or he has a new one.
Holy F, this is gonna be freaking hard. Oh no! Ha ha ha! No!
Don't let him. Oh, don't move that rod! Do you need a knife?
No!
Here, put this knife in there just in case
He's
you
going
need
in
to cut
the
line.
water.
Holy crap, this is hard. That line is connected to this fish. This fish is like actually pulling me around right now.
How's it going? How you feeling?
Yo, this is freaking hard. There's a whale right there too.
my gosh, it's a big one. Look at it.
That's what she said.
I need a gaff.
You're gaffing it there too?
What else am I
I'm like,
supposed to
come
do?
on this side, come on.
Wow.
Oh yeah, just hand me the gaff. And the fish and shark hook. And my glove too.
Anything else?
And the knife.
That's a big fish. Don't lose it.
That's a good one.
Alright, let me see if I can do this, guys.
I'm gonna hold the pole for you.
fish.
No, I got it. Which side should I hit on?
Your dominant hand, like have your dominant hand free.
Oh.
For an arm snapping. Oh man. Maybe we need a rope on the end of the pole so it doesn't go.
Don't run, don't run, don't run. Please don't run. Oh.
Such a bad swing.
Can you see
I think
the
it's
fish?
knocked out, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Josh, you're not even hitting
Like
it.
tapping
You're
it.
gonna hit the hook out on accident.
Alright, I think it's knocked out. Hard.
Your whole pole's in the water.
Good thing salt water's great for him. Oh, he's still biting. He's awake. Nice.
Oh, don't let go.
If it fights now, I'm dead. I'll go in. Holy cow, dude.
It would rip out your teeth, that's for sure.
Ow, ow, ow.
What?
I hooked my hoe. Alright, here we go. Woo! Alright, alright.
You gotta cut him now.
Yeah.
I didn't see you.
I mean, I don't think I can do this.
You're gonna pull him in?
No.
Wow, whale too.
I'm gonna fall in.
Because of the balance?
Yeah, like I'm so close to tipping right now. Oh, it's been on!
I know, it's been on the end!
Sarah, grab it!
It's been on the whole time.
I need to be pulled in.
Sarah's got a fish on. Ian, come pull him in. Ian!
Ian, help!
Oh.
Ian, help me!
Just let it go, just let it go.
What is this on? Is it wrapped? Sarah's got a fish!
Look at all those lines tangled up in her fish, too.
That is a mess if I've ever seen one.
Too.
Sexy.
It looks like you just jumped in the water. Couldn't see the cat. Oh. The whale's right over there.
Alright, so we were over there fishing. There's the boat. And we saw a whale, so I come out here and it disappears. So now I'm tired from kayaking. Is that it? Now I'm tired from kayaking all the way out here.
Got line stuck in the prop. Had to cut the line.
Now we gotta take the propeller off.
Because the line's still stuck in the prop.
But what we don't want to do is get any pieces from the prop in the water because then we'll be stuck out here.